Hello children, there is another question from area under the curves. So listen the question, what is this? Try to understand the problem here. If the tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 minus x square, y equal to 1 minus x square at x equal to alpha, where alpha value is 0 to 1, okay, meets the x-axis at P and Q. And alpha is varying, means alpha changes here. It may be any place on the curve, it may be at any place on the curve. The minimum value of area of triangle OPQ, whatever the triangle is forming here, OPQ, is k times the area bounded by the curve with the axis and the part of the curve for which 0 to 1. We need to take the part of the curve from 0 to 1. Then we need to find the value of k here. So first let me draw the graph here so that you can understand very clearly. So what is this one, Anna? So you can see the graph here. So this is the x-axis and y-axis. Y equal to 1 minus x square means, remember, always should draw the graph very easily. For y equal to 1 minus x square, first you put, this is a parabola, we know this, it comes reverse downwards parabola because minus x square is there. So y is equal to 0 means what is coming? X equal to plus or minus 1, and x equal to 0 means y is equal to 1. So here it is minus 1 and it is plus 1 and it is 1. So the graph is coming like this. Okay, it is very easy to draw the graph for a parabola like this. So reverse, so you should not draw the graph like this, Nana, but I am just drawing to make it this one, and means only one time you need to draw the graph, that's it. Again, what is this one, Nana? There is a tangent to the curve at a point x equal to alpha. So firstly I am drawing the tangent to this curve. Tangent to this curve. Where, Nana? At alpha comma 1 minus alpha square, because x is equal to alpha. If I keep in this, I will get alpha comma 1 minus alpha square. Now what I need to find here? I need to find the area of the minimum value of area of triangle OPQ. So this is a tangent meeting the curve at P and Q, and this is O. And this is what, Nana? 1, and this is minus 1. Clear? Now what is this triangle area? We know that OPQ. And what is another one? Area bounded by the axis, right? Area bounded by the axis and a part of curve which 0 to 1. So axis, this is a x and y axis, and this bounded by the curves from where to where? From 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. This area particularly. Only from 0 to 1, not the entire area of the curve. So this area is, so the triangle area is k times of this shaded area. This is the logic given to us. Now what we need to do here? Find the area of this value of k here. Okay, Nana? So first what I am doing here, I am finding the tangent to this curve at this point. Let me take this as a point R, Nana. Okay, so to find the tangent, first what we need to do? Differentiate curve. So this is a curve. What is the curve, Nana? Y equal to 1 minus x square. If I differentiate this curve, what I will get, Nana, here? So y dash equal to minus 2x. Clear? Now what is the equation of tangent? What is the equation of tangent, Nana? Y minus of 1 minus alpha square equal to minus 2 times of alpha, because this is the slope of the tangent, but the slope of the tangent at a point is 2 minus 2 alpha into x minus alpha, Nana. Clear? Now this is y minus 1 plus alpha square equal to minus 2x alpha plus 2 alpha square. Clear, Nana? Now send this one this side. Y plus 2x alpha equal to, it is going to other side, becomes 1 plus alpha square. Right? When you want to find the value point on the x-axis, So what we need to do, we know that put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So y 0 lagao. So what will come here? If I keep 0 this one, the point is 1 plus alpha square by 2x comma 0. Yes or no? Right. Again, when you find the point on the y-axis means put x equal to 0. So what is the point, Nana? The point on the y-axis, that is 0 comma 1 plus alpha square. Clear, Nana? Now what we need to do here? We need to find the area of triangle OPQ. So I am writing here area of triangle OPQ is half into base is OP into height is OQ, or you can use the formula C square by mod 2 times of mod AB also, Nana. Right. So what is this one here? Half into, what is the OP here? OP is nothing but this one 1 plus alpha square by, this is 2 alpha, right? 2 alpha by 2 alpha into, this is what, Nana? OQ is 1 plus alpha square. Clear, ma? Now what is this area, Nana, here? Area is nothing but 1 plus alpha square whole square by 4 times of alpha. This is the area of this triangle, right? This triangle. Now what I need to do here, I need to find this shaded area, this area from 0 to 1. Clear, Nana? So what is this another area, Nana, now? So another, but in this is not equal to k times. The minimum value of this one is equal to k times of this curve. So now I need to find the minimum value of this area. Now, to find the minimum value, we know that we already read this, that is a dash. First let me find the a dash here. So this is 1 by 4 times of alpha into, okay, 2 times of 1 plus alpha square into 2 alpha. Clear, Nana? And minus of, okay, 1 plus alpha square whole square into alpha derivative is 1 by alpha square is coming, right? This is the a dash. Now let me simplify this. This is equal to 1 by 4 times of, okay, Nana? So otherwise I will write directly by 4 alpha square. Why again? So one more bracket, everything. So this is nothing but 2 alpha square into 1 plus alpha square whole square minus 1 plus alpha square whole square by 4 times of alpha square. Now take 1 plus alpha square whole square is common, so that what you are getting, Nana, by 4 alpha square also I am writing here only, right? And in this what you are getting, Nana? 2 alpha square minus 1. So to find maximum or minimum, what we need to take? We need to take this is 0. Clear? Now what is the alpha square value I am getting here? So alpha square, 2 alpha square, sorry, just a minute, I didn't took here like this. Yes, Nana, this is a value I am getting here. It is 4 alpha square, right? 4 alpha square minus, this is alpha square plus 1 whole square, right, Nana? Now what is the value here? I can rub this one, mostly you saw this one. So what I am getting now? This is 4 alpha square minus 1 equal to 0. Alpha square equal to 1 by 4. Alpha equal to, you can take plus or minus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, but I am taking directly 1 by 2 here, right? Guys, here this one is a little bit mistake here I took here. This is a whole square, not a whole square. I wrote it as a whole square here. So take a common of whole square, 1 plus alpha square. A small mistake here I did. So what I am doing now, this is 4 alpha square, okay, 4 alpha square, 2 alpha square into 2, this is 4 alpha square, right? 4 alpha square into 1 plus alpha square minus this one. So if I take 1 plus alpha square by this common, 4 alpha square minus 1 minus alpha square I am getting. right? Now taking a dash equal to 0, you are getting what you are getting, Nana, here? You are getting the value of alpha is 3 alpha square minus 1 equal to 0, because it won't be 0. It is 1 plus alpha square, 4 alpha square. Alpha 0 అయిపోతే it will come infinity, right? So it won't be 0. Then what is, this is not 0, then this value is 0. Then what is the alpha square value, Nana? 1 by 3. Alpha square value is 1 by 3. Now this value you substitute in the a here. Okay, Nana? So here you got alpha square is equal to 1 by 3. So alpha value is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. But here the condition they given alpha is between 0 to 1. So what I can take alpha value? Alpha value equal to 1 by root 3. Now what we need to find here clearly, so this is the area of triangle and this is the minimum point. If you substitute this point in this, you will get the minimum area. So minimum area of triangle OPQ is what, Nana? 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square, right, by what is this value? 4 by root 3. So this is 4 by 3 whole square is nothing but 16 by 9 into root 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So the minimum area is nothing but 4 by 3 root 3 for this. And this value is equal to area of that curve bounded between 0 to 1. Now the area between 0 to 1, this value 0 to 1. So 1 minus x square dx, Nana, because in the diagram you already saw this one. This is the area. We need to find the area between 0 to 1 and this is a tangent. This is our diagram. So what we can do now, the area between 0 to 1 by this curve is nothing but what, Nana? This is nothing but x minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 1. This is 1 minus 1 by 3. It is clearly 2 by 3. Clear? Now what is the next one in the problem? You can see the problem that this area of the triangle, minimum value of area of triangle, this value is equal to k times of this area. Right? Now what we can write this one, Nana? So the value is nothing but 4 by 3 root 3 is equal to k times of 2 by 3. Now k equal to 4 by 3 root 3 into 3 by 2. So 3 cancel, this cancel. The answer is 2 by root 3 square units. So hopefully you understood what they did. Try to understand the problem. Don't try to see the solution. Here what they given is, they given the area. See how many concepts they included. Minimum value of the quadratic equation. There is a one concept. Another concept is what, Nana? Equation of tangent. Okay. So parabola, reverse this one, downwards parabola. Like this all the concept. This is a multi-concept question in an area under the curves. So listen carefully. Try to do it on paper once again. Hopefully you understood this one. Thank you.